Yo, what's up team? Today I'm going to attempt 2,000 meters. For this 2,000 meter row, I'm kind of leaning towards like just doing sub 7 and like giving myself a bit of a push. I haven't actually done a 2,000 meter row in ages just because of my arm. Last time I did it, I tried to do like a real out of it pace and I ended up gassing out too early. So we'll see what we get today, but I want to try and talk through it a bit to give some of my like strategy in that. You can kind of see the screen here. I might move it a bit closer. Yeah, there you go. You can see the screen. So I'll have the mic going. Oh, actually, I can do this. Hold on. We can go tele. There we go. Now you can kind of see the screen. It might go blurry a bit. It's going to be very noisy, but I just want to kind of talk through how I'm going to target certain aspects of this row. I've done a bit of a warm-up, but we're just going to go hearty today, see what we can get. Yeah, sub 7 would be nice. Anything more, that'd be pretty cool too. So my strategy is to give myself a big push at the start, use some power strokes for like the first 5 strokes, and then pace off after that. After I pace off, then I'm going to be aiming to try and maintain particular paces between 140 and 150. And then when I get into the last K, I'm going to like target down from there. So trying to drop my pace by at least like 1 second each time. So we'll see what we do, but yeah, let's just see how we go. I'm gonna strap in nice and tight. Maybe, Idi's coming in too. Maybe you could get a bit of like shots of me from the side and that, if that's all good. Nah, using your phone, if that's okay.
Videos or photos?
Videos, so I can just show some of the stroke technique as well. So I'm gonna go real tight on my stroke. My foot setup as well. But yeah, I'm looking for some good pace and some good power from the start. I probably should have done a bit more muscular recruitment, but we might be able to build on this to the next testing. And then the only other thing is trying to see how long my elbow holds out, because I can't get that nice extension. So you'll notice, or you might be able to see that my arm doesn't straighten the whole way, but we'll try and use the legs a bit. Anyways, let's get a good push. All right, 5 strokes here. 5 strokes, pace off for 15, and then bring our pace steady after that. Okay, there's my 5. Probably not as low as what I'd liked, but it's okay. We'll deal with it later on. So now I'm going to pace back to about 145, maybe 147. Keeping my stroke rate around 30. There's the first 250. Hold this pace. Babe, Heidi Atu. I can't focus with her. All right, 144s or 145s. Staying calm here, nice long strokes, not accepting 146. Good, 500 down. Gonna push the pace a bit. 144. Long strokes will get me there. There. Trying to stay calm. Don't jump too early. Good, 250. 250 to the K. 144s or less. Feeling good. Staying calm, work to the K. Nice time on the K, 326, 130, 43s. Doing well. Trying to hold breathing rate. Staying calm. 750 left. Gonna jump a little hard. Nice. Holding my pace. I'm gonna shoot at 500 and just bite the bullet. This is gonna hurt. Here we go. Use my pace on the stroke. Nice. Not too bad. $140s. No more. Legs are sore now. Here we go. Long strokes. $40 seconds. Gotta beat the rate up. Doing well. Push through the burn. 8 strokes. 7, 6, 5, 4, Not too bad. I probably could have jumped a bit earlier, but that's not a bad time considering. Try catch a breath now. Pretty good. So all in all, strategy works pretty well for a nice 6:47. I reckon if I kept my pace 1:43 and worked down from there, I would have got a better time, maybe looking more like a 6:40. But also I have to take into account my power and strength in my legs. It's pretty trash right now, very trash indeed. So deadlift strength, I reckon I'll be struggling to push 120, 130 on a deadlift right now. Yesterday's squatting felt average, so didn't even test, but I'll be surprised if I could hit 140. My bench press down as well. So, you know, all in all, got to take all these different things, all these different things into account, because that first 5 strokes, if you can't get lots of power into that, it sets you with a much higher average. And then if you can't hold your averages, you just got a lot of work to do in the second half. Because I think my first K was pretty good, but that's pretty much double the K speed. And I think my second K was a lot faster, obviously, than the first one, but first one I was feeling good up until about literally 500 to go. So it just shows, if I maybe shave 1 more second off those first few 250 to 500 meter efforts, I'm looking at a quicker time. But pretty happy with that. Pretty hard to talk, to be honest, going through it, but just helped me to stay a bit calm through the whole thing and focus on what I was doing. And that's why I love the 2K, because a lot of it's about how you pace, how you strategize, and maintaining that thought process throughout. It burns, definitely, especially that last 400 meters, everything was burning. But the more I focus on my breathing and keeping my strokes perfect, or as perfect as I can get them, they could be a lot better, the easier it felt. But yeah, pretty happy with that. That's one of the strategies I prefer. I feel like everyone will do much better on that type of strategy. It also comes down to like what your pacing is too. If you don't understand what kind of pace you can hold, makes it very difficult. But yeah, that's not a too bad 2K. I've done a lot better in the past. But like I said, I was just kind of aiming for sub 7, and we got that, and our strategy was able to be utilized as well. Peace out, team.